My name is Sergey. I'm the AI lead at Molcure here.
Okay, my name is Emilia and I'm a bioinformatician in the AI team.
I'm Tamaki and I'm Chief Science Officer in Molcure.
First question I've got, who is the smartest member of your team?
You're supposed to hide it, right?
Yes,
Can I write my name here?
You can, yeah.
that's what I wanted to do.
So, Sergey, who is the smartest member of your team?
It's got to be everyone. I can't choose anyone specific.
Emilia?
So first of all, I contest this question. Define smart. Obviously everybody here is smart, very smart and essential.
And Tamaki?
Good answer.
Well,
Undefined? Great.
I want to say, what is the most important part of your work at Molcure?
Helping the team members in their tasks and making clear why we're doing what we're doing. And so objectives and visions, make it all clear. So basically help them to do the job the best way they can. So that's my role, main role really, yeah.
So for me, it's the idea that what I do can help improve human condition. For me, that was the driver which brought me to science in the first place. And here I have the chance to actually really make a difference, possibly very soon. So that's very important for my motivation.
What are the most important skills for your team?
Actual domain knowledge of what they're supposed to do is crucial. Of course, the person doesn't have to know everything, but be motivated to learn more.
So I appreciate the fact that everybody is willing to admit lack of knowledge. And there is always a solution for lack of knowledge, like you educate yourself. And our work tends to be very collaborative. So it's important for us to be able to go to some other member of the team and ask them, oh, you are the expert on this particular topic. Can you please explain to me?
What is something that you look for in potential Molcure employees?
if I can choose three.
Yeah, sure.
So of course one is the expertise in their main field. So I want our members to be expert of their own field. And also I want the person to be learning new things. And maybe the final one is if the person is mature or not. And it doesn't mean that I don't want to be like very strict or anything. I want people to be doing fun stuffs and playing around, but the background should be really mature and very expert.
So, if you could be CEO for one day, what would you change?
I would put the biolab closer, so we're all in one spot. And maybe I would have a distinct bioinformatics team.
How about Sergey?
PlayStation in office, yeah.
So I want the wall of the biolab and all the company to be able to climb. So I want to do bouldering.
A bouldering wall.
Yeah, bouldering wall all over the place.
What is the most challenging part of working at Molcure?
So of course we have to integrate 3 different technologies, and communication is sometimes really tough because everybody has really different professionalisms and expertise. But we have to sometimes, transform the language of robotics people to AI people's language, or language from bio people to, robotics language or AI language.
Next is about most exciting part working with Molcure.
So what we do is sort of at the cutting edge of biotechnology science. So that is quite interesting and very exciting. We have a quite diverse group of people, especially in my AI team, which is quite enjoyable. Like when you have a diverse group of people, the discussions can be quite interesting. You will learn new things, not only work related, but like culture related.
Has there been any exciting, products, things that you've worked on recently that have gone?
I think I guess I have to answer that.
So I can't answer the specific company's name, but we work with a pharmaceutical company, and what we do is we collaborate with the very early stage of drug discovery, and we try to find really good candidates.
Is there any specific area of biotechnology that Molcure is focusing on as far as like diseases?
But basically it's biotherapeutics, so basically it's a peptide or antibody drug is our main focus. But of course we have plans to expand more.
for the AI team, what are some different disciplines that your team members have came from?
In the AI team, we have now 4 bioinformaticians, AI research scientists, AI engineer. Most of them, our bioinformaticians, they all come from biology, biochemistry background. So most of them have their PhD. So it's quite a good level of domain knowledge they have.
But I think the gist is that you don't have to be an expert in biology to work in AI for a pharmaceutical company.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What is a recent book that has made an impact on you?
I only read non-fiction.
I only read manga.
Actually, the last book I've read is The History of Buddhism during the Sengoku Jidai, so maybe not pertinent. Agile Guide to Project Management.
One of my favorite is, Hunter x Hunter is one of my
Hunter.
favorite book, and yeah.
Next one is just more of a personal one as well. Like, what's the best TV show of all time?
Star Trek.
Star Trek?
Of course, no question. Yeah.
The Wire.
The Wire?
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah.
Tamaki?
Gundam.
Gundam. Oh, nice.
Yeah, he loves Gundam.
Any final thoughts? Last words?
Molcure is a really R&D type of startup. 45% of our employee has PhD. So that means like we have a science as a really common language. And again, I don't want to say that, somebody who doesn't have a PhD is not a scientist or anything like that. But as a culture and as a number, we have those kind of numbers. And based on that, there are 3 different fields: AI, bio, and robotics. And we somehow come up with an idea to integrate all 3 of those technologies and implement in the real world, business world. So yeah, please join Molcure if you are interested.
Yeah.